PC building tips for beginners: don't forget to install your motherboard's I/O shield. Most mid to high-end motherboards nowadays will come with an integrated I/O shield, but if you've got a lower price motherboard or an older motherboard, it may come with a separate I/O shield in the motherboard box. So you can only install your I/O shield without the motherboard in the case, and after you've installed the motherboard, there is no way to fit the I/O shield in, and what you're going to have to do is actually take your build apart to reinstall the I/O shield, so make sure you don't forget to do this. The other important thing to be careful when installing the I/O shield is the back of it is sharp. You've got lots of pointed bits of metal, so be really careful not to cut yourself, and you may want to wear gloves for this part.